Let's get to know the EnviroKlenz SMART Science Eco Kit. Harnessing technology for a healthier home. The Eco Kit does more than just monitoring. It becomes your ultimate home health management tool. From multi-room management to personalized alerts and automations, the Eco Kit works as your personal home health advisor. There are many triggers to your everyday health that impact allergies, sleep, and productivity. The Eco Kit lets you capture the air quality conditions that matter most, and helps you keep track with alerts and recommendations on optimal healthy living. It even lets you automate air cleaning in your home with the EnviroKlenz Smart Plug. Simply power any air cleaner using the Smart Plug, and unlock hands-free filtration, filter change reminders, manual controls, and system alerts. Optimize your home health with the complete Smart Science Eco Kit suite, for just $9.99 when you bundle with the EnviroKlenz Air System and Smart Plug. Only at EnviroKlenz.com.